Hi, welcome back. This is vocabulary. Fruit 2. 水果2. 水果. As I mentioned in last video, it means juicy fruit. This time I'm presenting the fruit with the different core inside. More than one. The first one is apple. 坡银苹歌我果苹果 apple. Second one is begonia. 海棠喝矮海特昂糖 Third one, pear. 乐怡梨 If you remember in the last video we talked about avocado, name of that is 鳄梨. It means if you take a look, the shape of 鳄梨 is similar to pear. So we name it as, although they are from different family, but we name it as 梨 鳄梨. So a pear shape and with the skin like a crocodile. It's avocado. Here, 梨 is pear. Again, you can see the sign of grass, a wood, a trees in everywhere here. Here, this one means ocean or sea, 海. This part in the left-hand side means water. Whatever you see, the character with this sign means it has a relationship with water. 海棠 Okay. 苹果海棠梨 Okay, this one is loquat. 枇杷 坡宜枇 Here is light. It's at the end of the word. It's light. 枇杷 The next one is hawthorn. 山楂是鞍山之阿扎 It's a little hard to pronounce because of this 诗 and 之 You have to actually curve your tongue, the front tip of your tongue, to pronounce. During this vocabulary, I try to repeat what I taught in the part of pronunciation. If still you feel difficult to study, to pronounce, please go back to the playlist of the pronunciation to check each of the pronunciation of different alphabets. 是鞍山之阿扎山楂 Next one is durian. 榴莲乐游流乐一安莲 This is a special tropic fruit and smells a little weird. Some people love it so much, and most of people I think don't get used to the flavor of these. Okay, 枇杷山楂榴莲 See the sign of tree, wood. Okay, and this one means mountain. You see, it looks like mountain, right? It has a different height of hills. This means mountain. 山 Okay, today we only learn 6 vocabularies. Let's repeat. 苹果海棠梨枇杷山楂榴莲 Thank you for watching. Again, I repeat, if you have difficulty to pronounce, please go back to the playlist for pronunciation. Thank you. Goodbye. 再见。